What's good everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to do the EQ sweep transition, so let's get right into it. I got this beat with the homie ISO. I'm going to play you this transition and then we'll talk about it. So the transition we're talking about is right here. If we pull up the melody and pull up the EQ, you can see what's happening. Now this process is very easy. All you're going to want to do is put an EQ on the insert that you want to sweep, and we're doing a low pass. So we're using the 7 blip, the highest blip that's up in the treble over here. And we used our middle mouse button to bring the settings down right here, so it's 4 open squares, and then it's this icon here. That way it gives us the free movement that we need with this. And all I did was highlight the area that I'm transitioning, throw an empty pattern down like that, and then that's where you're going to record the automation. So you would hit the record button, do notes and automation, and then you would start it back here and just kind of slowly sweep it up like this. Now that's if you wanted to do a low pass. If you wanted to do a high pass, you would have to do the same thing to the blip over here. So bring it down like that, bring it up like that, and then you would start here and then slowly bring it back. And then once you have it automated, you want to keep that area highlighted and then bring the mix knob down on the EQ2, right click it and hit create automation clip. It's going to bring in an automation clip like this. You just want to right click a point and bring it up. You do this so you can tell FL Studio to have that EQ sweep feature only on the parts that you want it, so it doesn't constantly do it with the sample. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you go check out the homie ISO out and have him linked in the description. He's super dope with it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.